Welcome to the first puzzle in our topology node puzzles section. Before we start, let's talk about topology, what it is, why it is fascinating, and how solving these puzzles can benefit us. Topology is a branch of mathematics that studies shapes, objects, and how they can change without breaking or tearing. Unlike geometry, which focuses on measurements, topology is all about connections and transformations. In our puzzles, objects may seem tangled or stuck, but with just right moves, they can be freed without cutting or breaking anything. Practicing topology puzzles will help us become better problem solvers, just like any other brain exercise. It will make us become more patient, focused, and flexible in our thinking. Now that we know why topology puzzles are useful, let's dive into our first one, scissors and rope puzzle. To build this puzzle, we need three simple items: scissors, a piece of rope, here I am using a shoelace, and tape. Now we start building the puzzle. First of all, we pass the rope through the one handle of the scissors, this way. Now we pass the rope through the other handle of the scissors. At the end, we secure both ends of the rope to the table using tape. The challenge is to free the scissors without cutting the rope and without removing the tape. Now I want you to build the same puzzle as I did and give your best try to solve it. Analyze carefully, take your time. Once you are done, whether solved or not, come back for the next video where I will walk you through the solution. Good luck.